Well, is it hot enough for you yet? 96 the current temperature outside with partly cloudy skies, winds out of the southwest at 14 miles per hour. Radar showing just a few showers. We showed you earlier down here near the Corinth area, some pea-size hail, maybe dime-size hail with that storm, but that's it. Everybody else is fairly on the dry side and hot. There is a heat advisory in effect until 8 o'clock tonight for much of the Mid-South. Memphis, Shelby County included in this heat advisory, and south across northern Mississippi and parts of Arkansas as well. Just until 8 o'clock tonight. I think we're going to get a little bit of a reprieve tomorrow, but just a little bit. 96 the current temperature here, 95 in Olive Branch. Jonesboro still at 97. Factor in that relative humidity, it feels a lot worse than that. It felt like about 111 earlier this afternoon in Memphis. 106 now for the heat index here. 106 in Olive Branch, feels like 101 in Jackson. A look at the satellite radar view. Well, we've got some showers popping up across the southeast, but for Memphis and Shelby County, most of the Mid-South, pretty dry. The rain just can't seem to get in here. I think that might change, though, for tomorrow. This area of disturbed weather to our north will start to sink a little bit farther down to the south, and we may see a shower or two, especially in our northern counties, maybe even overnight tonight, and better chances for everybody in the Mid-South to see a little bit of rain at least for part of the day tomorrow. 76 for the overnight low tonight, winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, better chances of rain across sections of the Mid-South from Blytheville down to Helena. Temperatures in the low to mid-90s across northern Mississippi. Temperatures will be in the mid-90s. Now, if you get a rain shower, your temperatures won't quite reach the mid-90s, so it really depends on when you see that first shower as to how far your temperatures go up tomorrow. Temperatures in the low to mid-90s across sections of southwest Tennessee and across the metro area. Looking for temperatures in the low to mid-90s, 91 here in the city. Eyewitness Weather Planner looks like this for the next 3 days. Here's your chance of showers. This is it tomorrow. About a 60% chance of seeing some rain tomorrow with a high of 91. Otherwise, temperatures just continue to warm up. Look at that, up to 100 degrees by Monday. And we'll see the heat index very high as well, with temperatures close to 100 degrees. Overnight lows not really dipping that much, down into the mid to upper 70s for overnight lows. So that humidity is still going to be here. Keep your fingers crossed for a shower tomorrow because it'll be nice.
Two fingers.
There are plenty of people
and toes.
going,
and toes.
Please, let us have a little rain. Thank you.
Sure. Well, here's a live exact track Doppler radar, and we've got some showers, a couple of thunderstorms on here. In fact, some pretty heavy rain across Crittenden into southern sections of Shelby County, into DeSoto County as well. A small stream flood advisory issued for this area. A lot of rain falling in a very short amount of time. The severe thunderstorm warnings we talked about earlier for Hardeman and McNairy counties they've canceled those warnings as the storm is pushed on out of the area, but still some very strong storms, or at least some heavy rain across sections of Fayette County down into Marshall County. Right here in this green area, you can see a flash flood warning in effect for northern Marshall County, as they've had quite a bit of rain in a very short amount of time. So we're going to keep an eye on these storms. I don't expect a lot of severe weather, but some much needed rain falling across the Mid-South. Even here in Midtown, we had a little bit of rain outside of the studios. In fact, look at this temperature. At 4:30, we were at 97. A little bit of rain drops the temperature to 78 with northwesterly winds at 14. Still a nice little heavy rain shower going on at the airport. Heat advisory in effect. If you're not getting the rain, it's still hot, and not everybody across the area has gotten rain this afternoon, but for Shelby and DeSoto County until 8 o'clock tonight, still under a heat advisory for those areas. But look at these temperatures. 78 the current temperature here, 77 in Olive Branch, 88 in Jackson. You can tell kind of where it's rained, and temperatures in the upper 80s from Forest City to Stuttgart, Jonesboro at 91 degrees there. A look at the southeastern satellite. A lot of storms across the coast here, but across our area, just some showers popping up along with the heat of the day. And we had a weak frontal system that's trying to sink on through here, and that may stall out across northern sections of Mississippi overnight tonight. So we may see a chance of some rain in the overnight hours for some of the northern Mississippi counties. But I think for the most part, we're going to start to see these storms die out now that the sun is starting to set, and we'll see cloudy skies. 73 degrees for the overnight low tonight. Here's the weather tracker, and by 7 o'clock, still a couple of storms around, but as we time lapse through till about midnight, you see we even get a little bit of clearing across part of the area, but that stationary or that frontal boundary is still to the south here, so maybe a couple of storms south of the Oxford Pontotoc County line, well down into northern Mississippi. Here's a look at the weather where you live across Arkansas for tomorrow. Hope you enjoy the rain, because that's it for a while. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, hot and humid tomorrow. The sunshine is back in full force tomorrow across northern Mississippi. Temperatures 97 from Tunica to Holly Springs, over to Corinth, 97 degrees. Across western sections of Tennessee, temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, 97 in Dyersburg, 98 in Fraser and in Collierville. And across the metro area, hot and humid conditions tomorrow as well. 97 for the high in the city tomorrow, 97 in West Memphis, 98 for a high in Olive Branch. Your Eyewitness weather planner looks like this for the next 3 days. Keep a small chance of showers, especially in northern Mississippi for tomorrow, about a 10% chance. But I think most folks are going to be dry tomorrow and hot, 97 for the high tomorrow. A couple of 100s in there for Friday and Saturday, and then for the next 7 days, much more of the same. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 90s to right at 100 degrees. Those overnight lows are important too, down into the mid to upper 70s. When you see overnight lows that low, you know the humidity is way up there. So no break from the heat, no break from the humidity. But some folks got a nice rain shower this afternoon. I know we did here at the station. Rained quite a bit.
We did?
Came down hard. Yeah, for a few minutes.
I don't know where I was.
We're down here in the bottom of the building with no windows.
Hear. Wow.
You know, when you look at those weekend hundreds, if you're not paying close attention, it looks like 1,000 degrees.
It'll feel like it.
Oh, well, up next in sports.